I already made a series of videos about Chinese internet slang and other habitual form of expression in China. So today we're going to talk about other 8 popular slang in China. Let's begin with 摸鱼, which literally means to pet a fish. And it also refers to catching a fish in troubled waters, which means to taking advantage of the chaos to gain profit without a permission. Now, it also refers to the behavior of being lazy at the workplace and not working hard. There are a lot of memes of petting a fish on the internet, like... And there are also a lot of manuals and videos of how the most efficiently pet a fish. Let's have a look at one of them.
公司摸鱼指南，技巧一：在公司快速的来回走动，手中拿着文件，偶尔翻找一下东西。技巧二：闲聊八卦时，拿出笔和本，一边记录一边聊天。
3号色的，我再记一下啊。我看看啊，写的对。
技巧三：带薪上厕所，回来后要十分气愤的坐下，发泄情绪。
那方案都写的明明白白，咋就看不明白呢？咋就看不明白？
接起电话，继续走出办公室。
Examples of the usage of 摸鱼 are 我今天摸鱼摸了一整天，我去厕所里摸摸鱼。The second one, 菜 actually means vegetables or a dish, but the abstract meaning of it is referring to someone's skills being weak. For example, 你的游戏整菜. The third one is 元宇宙, which means Metaverse. This word became very popular in China these days, but not so many people can explain what does it mean. In fact, 元宇宙 refers to a new internet form that integrates the virtual and reality through the integration of basic technologies such as the internet, big data, artificial intelligence, blockchain, human-computer interaction, and so on. It's also being called the next generation of the internet. At this stage, 元宇宙 or the Metaverse is still a new concept that is constantly evolving and developing. For example, 什么是元宇宙？元宇宙离我们究竟有多远？ The fourth one is 老油条, which literally means an old, deep-fried, twisted dough stick. You can understand it as a Chinese version of an old donut, but as a slang, it refers to somebody sleek and experienced. It also refers to somebody who can get rid of old problems. For example, 这人是个老油条，你别相信他。Another one is 吃豆腐, which literally means to eat tofu, but in another context it means to flirt or taking liberties with a woman. It also means to sexually harass someone. So let's have a look at how correctly use the abstract meaning of 吃豆腐。有些死小子想方设法吃豆腐，你别想吃他的豆腐。The sixth one is 戴绿帽子. In English it would sound like wearing a green hat, but in abstract meaning is that somebody who has been cheated on by one's partner is wearing a green hat, and it only refers to men. For example, 你跟他，你这个泼妇，给我戴上绿帽子了。Another one for today is 1号种子、2号种子、3号种子。In English, it would sound like seed number 1, seed number 2, and seed number 3. But among the Chinese young people, 1号种子 refers to somebody who was considered to win the championship before the game. And the same, 2号种子 seed number 2, and 3号种子 seed number 3 are the ones who were supposed to take the second and the third place. For example, 欧洲1号种子赢了韩国3号种子. And the last for today is 刘畊宏男孩女孩. In English, it would sound like the boys or girls of Liu Kenhong. Liu Kenhong is a live streamer in China. He was under lockdown in Shanghai not a long time ago, so he began to live stream fitness at home with his wife Vivi. He was full of energy and movement, and his wife was out of breath, so the contrast was quite funny, and as a result they became really popular within a short amount of time. The number of fans exceeded 20 million in just 1 month, and the amount of views of each live broadcast was amazing. Everyone joined the Liu Kenhong's dance gymnastic camp, and the one who participated got the title of Liu Kenhong's girl or Liu Kenhong's boy. The example of how we can use this slang is 我是刘畊宏女孩，真的吗？ 我也是。Well, that's all for today. Next month there will be another video about Chinese slang. So I see you next time. Bye bye.